Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm back here with a clip taken from a long video that I just finished to record for my subscribers. I'm leaving the option for my services at 50% off for the first year open, and I'll be providing further details after the clip ends. So if you're interested, please stay on. I'll be talking to you again at the end of the clip. I would like you also to read carefully the disclaimer that I'm going to put up now, so that it is clear to you before you go ahead and watch the video. This is just a standard thing. Now here's the chart of gold, spot gold. This is on the daily, where you have the DX in black, and you can see clearly the inverse relationship. Yeah, it's pretty clear, but there is something that we need to pay attention here. Do you see that gold struck a very important top right here? We do have a low in the DX, but then gold came down, DX came up, but look what happened here. The DX actually went to a lower low, while gold did not go to a higher high. Do you see that? There is something here. Now, I wish I had a very clear setup for the DX that would have really helped sorting out also the likelihood of the next few moves in gold. We don't have that. You already know that there is one option that the DX ended here, and that being an A, that's a bit coming up in a C, which would pull gold slightly lower, but then gold will basically put in an A, B, C down like that. You see, here's the C, here's the B, the A disappeared here. So that's your A, B, C, while, yeah, here's the A, sorry. Was hiding around here. Yeah, that's the A that relates to gold. It took place right here, to be precise. While the DX is coming up like that to finish the C, with this being A, B, C, the DX will get ready to go for a serious plunge while gold is going to take off. Okay, that is one alternative. The other alternative is telling us, no, you are supposed to take the DX end of move here, not that. That's going to change a bit the entire dynamics of the moves in the precious metals, because what it says that the DX is not going to be over with a correction so soon. It is going to rally, but this rally is probably going to be just the A leg. So I'm not seeking to confuse you, but just try to imagine that that's your first leg down. Sorry, that's your first leg down, and it finished, the DX finished this first big leg down, coming from multi-year top going into multi-year correction. So that's probably an A, and it's going up, probably an A, then a B, then a C. So this is not going to be over in 2 weeks. You get me? You see the point? It's not going to be over in 2 weeks, and it's going to put pressure on gold. It doesn't mean gold can't rally. Gold will rally, even in such a scenario where DX still needs to go higher to within that correction. But we are probably not going to see a blast above this very soon. Meaning we could go through this. Look, it'll go down. Seems to me quite clear now. It'll go down, not by a lot, but it'll take the start probably from here. The DX could top, then the DX backs off. The DX backs off for several weeks, gold will rise. That's a reasonable scenario. Okay, let's take the DX out, and we are just left now with gold. it seems to me, as I said to you, there is a fair chance that it will continue to pull lower. I'll be surprised if all of a sudden it takes off from this level. Anything could happen. I always like to say that it's true. Anything could happen, especially when we deal with the short term, when we look at the futures, etc. So there is a lot of noise. But right now, I think that this is a fair assessment that we will see the pressure continuing here, and we will go to touch and probably deep under 1895. That's spot gold. I will show you the chart of silver that looks clearer to me. Now again, we have the DX in black, and we have spot silver. And we have the same dilemma. Do you remember that? The DX ended here. That's an A, that's a B. DX is coming up to complete the C, after which it's going to plunge. You see that clearly. Or DX actually finished the move here, and it's going now for the A, then a B, then a C, and only then it's going to plunge. So that's going to take several months. Okay. In the first option, where the DX ended the move right here, that is one in silver, and that is an ABC coming down. Silver is about to finish second wave, and the reversal is going to be a third wave. So that's going to send, of course, the DX tumbling seriously. Okay. We'll get a feel. We will get more signals as things are going to develop. No need to panic. We're not going to miss anything. But right now, short term, it appears like, yeah, we have further movement down. In the case of silver, I'm going to show you that in a sec here. That's the daily. Let's jump to the 60 minutes or 2 hour scale. It seems very likely we're going to have more pressure on silver, as it is about finishing the job of this, what I took as an ABC. You see, it really performed very much the way I expected. All the better. Okay, I told you this is looking like a great AB, and then we came down, you know, 1 2, and then we had a series of 1 2 1 2 3 4 3 4 5 3. That looks like a perfect fourth wave. That's why I assume we're going to have another leg, substantial leg, that would resemble what we have gone through here. You see, so I think we're going to deep towards 22. After that, there is every chance that we are going to see some recovery, and the nature of the recovery will help us to sort out both in the case of the DX, the moves in the DX, and the moves here, and other related currencies like the US dollar, Canadian dollar, the Australian dollar, US dollar, and of course the AGY, etc. But short term here, silver is very likely going to look down. My website, the homepage is right here. It's Wave Mastery, www.wavemastery.com. Yeah, wavemastery in one word.com. That takes you to the homepage. You can scroll down, look through some things that I've written here, some recommendations from past users and current users, and that is essentially the offer currently open only to first-time subscribers. Okay, so there is the daily service, daily videos that are preceded by a trial, so you can take the trial for 1 week, and at the end of that, if you're happy, you do nothing, you go on to the plan of half price. Essentially 79 presents half price of the normal price, and that will be good for 1 year. That means 12 payments of 79. If you want to watch just the weekend videos, then you go for this one, and it does give you access to the weekend videos, and I often also insert a video as a bonus midweek, just to keep you on track, to see a little bit where things are moving, because sometimes 1 week of full price action is a lot, and the wave count can change, especially if you're a short-term trader. you really want to know what's happening. So that is essentially the situation. If you decide to go, for example, for the daily videos, you click here, it takes you to the page where it explains to you, you should read that. It explains to you what is covered, etc., etc. If you like what you read, you click here, subscribe. It takes you to PayPal, because my paying system is through PayPal, and you pay through PayPal. You can see you have the trial at $9.99. That's for the first 7 days. As I said, if you like what you see, do nothing. It just goes automatically. If you don't like, you can cancel. Or if you don't know how to cancel, or you have any doubt, you have any question, you can write to me, of course. Once you go through and you pay, you come back, PayPal will send you back to my website to fill in your profile details, choose your login, and once you do that, you will be led automatically to the page with the links to the various videos classified by date. If at any point in time in this process you have a problem, things are not going as I'm describing to you right now, all you have to do is just contact me and I'll help you out. That is essentially it. So you'll have 1 week to look at things. I would like to just spend a minute about the website itself. I have written here a few articles. Is this website for me? You can go through that one. Psychology and trading, trading and the arts, why join? Yes, each of these articles could perhaps help you to see how to relate to my website, but there is no substitute, in my opinion, to actually take a trial. You know, you take a trial, and I want to say another thing. You take a trial and you can't make up your mind. You want more time to think. Fine, I understand that. Then you cancel, but then you're not allowed to take another trial. Please, I want to be very clear about that. There are people who abuse this, and it's really not right. You're not allowed to take more than one trial, okay? A trial is a trial. But if you're interested, after you take a trial, you're interested to come back, you can still benefit from the low price for the next full year. But you have to write to me, and then I will send you a special link without a trial. And if you join, then you're going to go immediately onto the reduced price plan for 12 months. Okay? If you take another trial after you took already one, I am going to have to cancel that and refund you. And if you do that 2 or 3 times, I'm just going to blacklist you, because there are people who have been doing it, and I'm afraid this is really absolutely not right. This is subscribe here. Use subscription. Once you are logged in, you will see this one highlighting you daily service videos or weekend service videos. Yeah, it will show which one you really have the right to access. The daily service videos, to be very clear, they cover the weekend service videos. Okay, so you don't have to subscribe to both. The daily covers everything I do. The weekend, of course, is more selective. Now, I have here resources. There are chart galleries right here. Chart 1, 2, 3. There are plenty of charts here that give you an idea how I go about subdividing various market action here. I covered a lot of markets, and you can see there is history here that could be very interesting for you to just go through. Let's see, platinum, for example. Yes, that's 1973 to 1978. If you click right on top where it shows you the hand, the chart opens up big. You can print it if you like. Here's an example of platinum, April 1980. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the huge correction that followed after that. So there is plenty for you, whichever market you're interested in, the financials, commodities, precious metals, etc. Okay, so that's chart galleries. Then useful links, as the name implies. Yes, recommended reading list. You have a long list of books here that I've read over the years that I found very interesting. Of course, I have many more books that I would like to add. It's just a question of time. I don't always have time to update this one. But the books that you find here did help me in the beginning, and still the information here is very valuable in this book. For example, Kroll. I don't know how many of you heard about Stanley Kroll. Stanley Kroll was a really imaginative fellow trader that wrote very well about his own trading and in trading in general. I learned a lot from these books. And of course, if you haven't heard about Reminiscence of a Stock Operator, you should get this book and read it. You will not regret. This is a book that most traders, I think, have come across and read. It is very, very interesting. And as you go down the list, you will see if there are things that are of interest to you. Of course, go ahead, get them. Some of them are even available online for free as a PDF. Check that. If you have questions about that, you can even contact me. Here's the contact us, and you put your name. Please make sure you give me the right email address. Message, simple maths, submit, I get it. You'll hear from me. I'm based in Belgium, so if you write to me from Australia or from the US and I'm having my rest, do not be surprised if I don't react quickly, okay? Normally within a day you will have a reply from me. I check my email fairly regularly. So that's about it. Hope to see you visiting my website. Hope to see you taking a trial. If you have any questions, again, don't hesitate. Get in touch with me, and wishing you a great trading week. Bye now.